Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning September 19th to the 25th, 2022, using this kit from PlanItFancy. I don't remember what it was called, and I don't think the name is on the sheet because I usually look at the video but I can't see it. I did pair it with some sparkly red heart foil from SPC, and then some underlays from PlanItFancy. So this was the week of my husband's birthday and our second year wedding anniversary, hence why I use this kit. But anyways, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So I am going to let you guys watch the base to some music, and I'll be back for the day by day. Okay, before I start with the day by day, if you hear any banging, my son is playing in the living room with his dad, so there might be banging, but it's okay. So in the sidebar, I'm marked with a Make Plans married couple, been married for 2 years, and that was the week 31 of maternity leave, with a sticker from Bella Plan Ella and a script from PMD Stickers. So there's a ton of extenders on Monday because it was a busy day and it was our actual anniversary day. And of course I'm out of frame, but eventually you will see. So at the top I marked it that it was our 2-year anniversary with another Make Plans married couple sticker. I marked that it was a bank holiday because it was the Queen's funeral with an alarm clock icon from the Royal Bundle. Then I marked it was my husband's birthday with a balloon sticker from PMD Sticker and a happy birthday script from SBC. So in the extender, I marked making some French toast with this toast sticker from SBC. I marked cuddling my son with the sticker from Make Plans and script from Teddy's Journals, and then I marked that I gave him some gaming time where me and my son were like out of his hair for the whole morning with this as part of his extra part of his gift with this sticker and script from Make Plans. In the middle of the day, I marked what order am I gonna go in? Okay, I think first I marked that we were in my mum's room. So I marked grandma time with this paper shy sticker and a script from Randy Plans. I then marked going on our date with this like commuting. Oh no, I marked inside of the extent first, so let's go there. So first I marked having some playtime with this icon from PlanItFancy and the script from Make Plans. I then marked a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from the foil bundle and a script from McPlans. And then I noted getting ready with this Valley on Tour girl. Then I marked grammar time because he was going to be staying with my mum, as I said. Then I marked going on a date with this commuting sticker from Paper Dolls Co. And then a date script from SBC. And then marked Missing Malik with this glam planner sticker. And then I noted taking some pictures with a camera icon from the foil bundle. At the bottom of the day, I marked the actual date. So I used this sticker from Paper Show to mark where we went, which was Benihana. And then I used this ice cream sticker from McPlans to note getting some ice cream afterwards. Then noted going home with this home icon from the foil bundle. And finally, some family cuddles with this Teddy Plans Co. family custom sticker and a cuddle script from the foil bundle. On to Tuesday. At the top of Tuesday, I marked that my husband had a day off with a McPlans character and a day of script, which was in my leftover book, but I don't know where it was from. Then marked that my son was 7 months this day with the sticker from Teddy Plans Co. and a Malik is custom script from Adorably Amy Designs and the 7-month script also from Adorably Amy Designs. I noted that he was getting so big with this baby grow sticker from the Crafty Planner Co. Then I noted making some breakfast with this sticker from Beniva's Creation. Next, I watched some more Grey's Anatomy, so I used this TV icon from the foil bundle and a Grey's Anatomy script from Carly Planned. I noted a Plan With Me binge with this planner sticker from the kit. It had some doodles in it and a script from McPlans. Then I noted watching shows with my son with this sticker from Whimsy and a script from what's it called? McPlans, sorry. Next, I marked some playtime with this icon from Planner Hannah and a script from McPlans. And then I used another McPlans duo to note that my husband was gaming. And then finally, I marked some cuddles with this PMD sticker girl and a script from Tilly Journals. On to Wednesday, I started off the day marking that I was tired with these slipper icon from the kit and a tired AF script from Planner Hannah. I noted getting some breakfast with the Starbucks cup from the kit. I noticed some Happy Meal with this mailer sticker from the Crafty Planner Co. and a Happy Meal script from McPlans. Then I noted playing with stickers, which was probably from the Happy Meal with the sticker sheet sticker. Oh, it was my US box that came with the sticker sheet sticker from Planner Face and a play with sticker script from Carly Plans. I noted some more playtime with an icon from Planner Hannah and a script from McPlans. Next, I noted Malik sleeping on me with this Glam Planner sticker and a sleep on Mama script from McPlans. On the bottom half of the day, I marked more Grey's Anatomy with a TV icon from a foil bundle and a script from Carly Plans. And then noted having some Mummy Sun Time with a heart icon from the foil bundle and a Mummy Sun Time script from Sweet Ava's paper. And then finally, I marked organising my stickers with this organised sticker script from McPlans and this sticker from Paper K. On to Thursday. At the top of Thursday, I marked being tired again with the sleep mask icon from the foil bundle and a script from Planner Hannah. I noted watching some Grey's Anatomy with a TV icon from Paper Candy Art and a script from Carly Planned. And then I marked a Plan With Me binge with a sticker sheet sticker from the foil bundle and a script from McPlans. And then playtime again with a Planner Hannah icon and a script from McPlans. Marked some family time with the star icon from the foil bundle and a family time script from Planner Face. Then I used the sticker sheet sticker from the Crafty Planner Co. and an organised sticker script from McPlans to organise some stickers. Then I know that I think Malik said Papa with this Mama Papa sticker from Paper Shire, and then I used a with Papa script to note that he said his dad. Well, he said Papa. And then I finally noted him sleeping on me again with this, what is it called? Glam Planner sticker and a script from McPlans. On to Friday. Once again, I marked Tired AF, who is shocked, not me. And I used a bed icon from the foil bundle and a script from Planner Hannah. Then I used another Beniva's Creation breakfast sticker to note making breakfast. Next, I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from the kit and a Plan With Me binge script from McPlans. Next, I marked more Grey's Anatomy with this popcorn sticker from Planner Face and a Grey's Anatomy script from Carly Plans. Then noted being in my feelings with this crying cat from Sweet Ava's paper and in my feelings script from the foil bundle. I might have been in my feelings over Grey's Anatomy, if I'm honest, but maybe I wasn't. I don't remember. And then marked more cuddles with a PMD sticker girl and a script from Tilly Journals. Marked playtime, again this was like more late night playtime with a icon from Planner Hannah and a script from McPlans, and then finally I noted him sleeping on me the same way I had the rest of the week. On to Saturday, I have like half box extenders. So on the top of Saturday I marked being tired AF again with a pillow icon from the foyer bundle and a script from Planner Hannah. Then marked some breakfast with a teacup icon from the kit, and then I marked getting some more Grey's Anatomy with this popcorn box icon from McPlans and a Grey's Anatomy script from Carly Plans, and in a Plan With Me binge with a YouTube play, but an icon from the foil bundle and a script from McPlans. On the other side of the extender, I marked Cuddling My Son with this PMD sticker girl and a Magic Cuddles script from Tilly Journals. I then marked playtime with this icon from Planner Hannah and script from McPlans, and finally I noted ordering some groceries with the sticker from Sweet Choir Design. And then finally I noted having some TV time with my husband with the sticker from Paper Dolls Co. and a TV time script from the foil bundle. On Sunday I have another half box extender. So first I marked breakfast again with another Believers Creation sticker, and it noted getting the groceries that we had ordered the day before with this grocery basket icon from Whimsy and a grocery run script from SBC. I then noted getting into the Crafty Planner co-PR team with this happy girl from Fox and Cactus. I'm no longer on her PR team. I'm not sure if she has one anymore, or she might have just 2 girls now, but still check out her shop because she's got great doodles. I then marked designing my freebie with this phone icon from the foil bundle. I know that Malik was with his dad with this icon from, well, this character sticker from Papershire, and a with Papa script from Tilly Journals, and it playing with more stickers with the sticker sheet sticker from the Crafty Planner Co. and a play with sticker script from Carly Plans. And then I used this TV icon from Planner Face and a script from Carly Plans to note watching more Grey's Anatomy. Finally I noted watching shows with my husband with another Paper Dolls Co. character and a watch shows with Babe custom script from McPlans. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this spread, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.